there. I was asked recently by a student in one of my childbirth classes about what she could do, an exact routine that I would recommend of birth ball exercises to try to encourage natural inductions. So if you're looking for a step-by-step routine of exercises, then you're in the right place. Now in this video, I'm also going to work with my pregnant model Britt, working with her again, and she's going to help demonstrate these exercises really to make them super easy so that you can do them on your own.
Hi, my name is Britt and I am 38 weeks pregnant.
Guys, Britt just had her baby and I know she's watching this video, so if you want to leave her a note of congratulations in the comments below, I'm sure she'll see it. Super exciting. Okay, using the birth ball is one way that we can really encourage our baby's head to engage down in our pelvis. Of course, these exercises are not guaranteed to start labor, but when you're looking for some no-risk things to do if you are hoping to get labor going, then this is a great list for you to start, and I actually recommend doing them on a daily basis. Start to finish, this routine is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, and I recommend starting this right around 36 weeks pregnant. Now today I have 4 exercises in this birth ball induction routine, and we're going to start first by making sure that your ball is properly positioned. Now your ball should be inflated to a height so that when you sit on it, your legs are at that 90-degree angle. So here in this video, you can see Britt's look right. Now next, you might want to consider doing these exercises next to a couch or a chair where you can easily lean for balance if you're feeling wobbly, and Britt's going to show that position to you. Okay, first up is our good old hip circles. Now you're going to want to do some gentle hip circles in one direction, then switch and do them in the other direction. I would set a timer for at least 2 minutes on each side. So we're going to do nice big circles with our hips going one way. Don't be afraid to really do some nice big circles. Then again, we're going to do the other way. Nice big circles. Just imagine you're drawing a circle on your birth ball with your hips. You can also do some quicker and smaller hip circles. See how those feel. And then the other way, quicker, smaller hip circles. Number 2, we're going to do some lunge, kind of side to side motion. So with that, we're going to have a nice feet planted up wide. Then we're just going to slide the ball to one side, slide the ball to another side, really stretching out the legs as we do it. Side to side. Again, let's do that between 2 and 4 minutes or so. It's going to be a little bit of time. We are going to go back and forth, stretching, back and forth, back and forth. So really stretching out those hips, stretching out that pelvis. Our third one is my personal favorite, and that is a figure 8. So a figure 8 can be done horizontally, where we're making a figure 8 this way, but we can also make a figure 8 vertically. So first, let's start with that horizontal figure 8. Again, we're just drawing the figure 8 with our body. You can see there's a lot of movement here. It's almost like a combination of a hip circle and a lunge at the same time. Maybe it feels a little silly. Again, if you're feeling off balance, you might want to get closer to a table or something that you can kind of hold onto while you're doing it. You might want to wear shoes if you feel like you're slipping around, or you're on a hard surface. So that is what a figure 8 going horizontally looks like. Now let's do the up and down figure 8, okay? So we're going to go backwards, or forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards, making the figure 8. Now I recommend doing 2 minutes of each way. So 2 minutes of your horizontal figure eight, 2 minutes of your vertical figure eight. Now, you'll probably feel some really nice stretching going on in your hips, especially for the first few days that you practice this. And I like to finish out this routine with just some gentle bouncing, nice gentle bouncing. The reason I like to finish this way is because just getting our body used to this motion is going to really benefit when we can use the birth ball when we have our baby. So babies really like being bounced. Imagine I'm holding a baby right here, and it can really save your legs when you have that baby that is fussing at night and you've had a long day, and you can just do some gentle bouncing. So we end this routine with just some gentle bouncing up and down. Awesome. Okay, now since we're talking about induction, if you're wondering about taking castor oil for induction, I have put together this video right here that walks through that idea of natural induction with castor oil. It gives a straightforward way of figuring out if that method is something that you might want to choose. Okay, till next time, get on the ball. Bye guys.